Heidi-ho, good neighbor, and welcome back to another unboxing video of Bokksu. I really do like these. What's interesting is that they come, unlike Tokyo Treat or in the past Japan Crate, that would just come in the mail like this. They actually put them in plastic bags, so the box is kept in excellent condition. So there's hardly any damages on them, which is nice, since they don't seal the boxes, so they just put them in in the plastic bags. And here, oops, my light from above, I got my ring light on, is the cover, which might cause issues. I don't know. I turned it on because the corner of my room is a little dark. Right now it is 4:19, just turned in the evening, so I'll try to keep the reflection off it. Birthday Bests, launched in May 2016, Bokksu's snack box is celebrating its 7th birthday this month. For this joyous birthday, we have a star-studded guest list for our box. Over the past 7 years, Bokksu has curated more than 1,000 different snacks and teas. So this month, we're excited to bring you a compilation of customer and team favorites. All right. That's cool. And here, if I can get the ring light off the page there, are where all the various snacks come from. Let's learn Japanese. Rikishi is history. Oniri? Oh, I'm sorry. Okinari? Sorry. Am I saying that right? Okiniri. Wasn't seeing it right. I guess that's how you say it. And there's the first batch. Koro senbei. Wasanban sugar. Dried mikan slice, or mikan. Uchicha Crunch Chocolate. Fuji-san Senbei. Always love senbei. They're excellent. White Strawberry. Kyoto Matcha Dango Mochi, which are excellent. I've had those before. Beni Badana Mikan Gummy. Ooh, those are good. I think I've had those in Tokyo Treat or something very similar. Rich baked chocolate cake. Ooh. Petite cafe a la crackers? Latte? Oranda senbei. Or orange senbei. Umi potato chips. We've had those before. But not by Bokksu. We've had them in Tokyo Treat. Different brand. Meet the Maker. Meet your maker. 1965. Interesting. They've been around quite a while. In Pursuit of Perfection. I guess with a light, it actually increases the clarity of the page, which is nice to see. If I left it off, it would probably blur the texting. So you can actually now stop the image right here and read it. For a change. And here is the QR code, which you can hold your phone up to the screen and go straight to Bokksu, or just go to that website there. I do have 4 things here I got. Let's see. One's from Bokksu, and I can't remember if I showed it to you in the last video or not. I might have. It might have been in my Tokyo Treat. I can't remember. And 2 are from Chabamin, and 1 is from the local store, which I thought would be interesting to show you anyway, because you might like them. All right. Nice. I'm thinking of Steve MRE. I think can't remember. There's this guy who does unboxings for MREs throughout history. I mean, years past. I mean, going back 7 years or so, he's done so many different reviews of interesting MREs, and I highly recommend them. I'll put his name down here so you can go check out his channel. I recommend it. He just finally came back after quite a long hiatus. Might have been family related or COVID, who knows. But he put up 2 recent videos, and they're good. They're quite good, of current MREs. One was I forget what they are. Just go check them out. But he's done MREs all the way back to near the turn of the 19th century. I mean, well, I think there might have been one from the 1800s, but most of the ones are from like early 1900s and then all the way up to now. And those are interesting. I love the old ones. It's really cool to check out. So we open the box. Modern snacks, traditionally inspired. And they always give you a postcard for the month, which is pretty cool. And there, hold it right so you can, there. Oh, it focused on it for a moment. You can read it. I can't believe it's been 7 years already. Yeah, time seems to fly lately. All right. They're not in order. So, unless I can find the first one here. Ah, I did. Okay, and there's 2 of them. Excellent. Because they're so small. They're clearly from a big bag. Oops, a little out of focus there. Clearly from a big bag of these. This little heart guy here is the, make sure I get the right one. Yep. Kokoro Senbei Wasanban sugar. Dusted with wasanban, the sweet kokoro or heart-shaped senbei rice cracker is the cutest bite. Wasanban is a fine-grained Japanese sugar that's long been used in wagashi, traditional Japanese sweets. Okay. Oop, put my towel down for crumbs. It's actually starting to get a little warm in here. I would turn on my fan, but then it might make excess noise. My computer, which is literally right here, the fan noise I always get rid of in the audio when I do these videos after I clean them up. It makes quite a bit of hum anyway. And there it is. It smells, it's an unusual scent to it. Kind of reminds me of, I mean, there is rice, but there's a cooked scent to it. I can't tell what it is. Ooh. Interesting flavor. I mean, it's mostly rice, but slightly chalky with the, what was it? Fine-grained sugar. Yeah, the sugar has a light chalky taste to it. But it's not sweet at all. I mean, there's a minor bit of sweetness to it right off the bat. But it goes so fast. Sorry. A little bit of sweat up here because it's suddenly a little bit warm in here. Although today I'm looking outside the window, which is right here. Obviously you can tell. And there's a little bit of wind, so it shouldn't be that hot. I would open the window. Oh, that's right. I can't open my window. It's a slightly old house, so the windows are sealed shut on, at least in my room. I don't have an updated window. And here is my drink, which is not from this box. This is Yo's Chrysanthemum Tea Drink. Lovely brewed with Rio flowers. And this is from Singapore. I got this from Chabamin. It has water, chrysanthemum, flower extract, cane sugar, and fructose. So it's quite healthy. And they're really nice. It's mostly just water and the taste of chrysanthemum. Very cool. All right, next we have 2 of these, which is, again, very nice. They're clearly dehydrated. This is the dried mikan slice. In Japan, mikan, or mandarin oranges, are representative of winter fruits, while customary to enjoy mikan sitting under a kotatsu, Kotatsu, kotatsu. It's required to enjoy fresh citrus taste of this delicious dried orange. Mikan. All right. There it is. It's actually overlapped a little bit, as you can see there. Not much scent left to it. Very, very minor. Anything. Huh. Wow. I mean, being real fruit, that's nice. It's not as strong as a current stateside orange. A little bit of sugar, granules mixed into it. I guess those on the exterior of it. But the flavor is orange. Dehydrated fruit's always good. It depends on, well, I take that back. Not every dehydrated fruit is excellent, but a vast majority of them are, so you're always going to have something good out of that. Next, we go to chocolate. I hope these are not, no, they're soft. They're still good. We get 2 of these. Excellent. Not much to the wrapper, because clearly these are from a big bag of chocolates. Hojicha Crunch Chocolate, made with puffed rice for a satisfying crunch. Enjoy the aroma of Hojicha roasted green tea in each completely flavorful bite of this sweet, nutty, and slightly smoky chocolate treat. Flavor sweet. No kidding, it's chocolate. Strong scent. It's way down here, and the scent just goes right up my nose. Little tiny prick of it. Nice. Smells like Nestle Crunch. Very smooth chocolate. Kind of. Wow. You can really taste that tea. Hojicha tea in there. It's a strong flavor to it. It's quite good. And then you got the rice, little rice bits mixed into it. Quite good. Very nice. Next, we have 2 of these. Little sundae. Oops. Can't tell what exactly is in there. Let me go ahead and open it up. That way the light won't be reflecting on the packaging. Sorry, my nose is, for the last 3 days, I had a nasal attack 3 days ago. I mean, it was like something I had back in 2019. My nose was like a brick during the night. Terrible night. But ever since then, my nose has been slightly sniffly. These are Fujisan Senbei Black Sesame. Oh, and mayonnaise. Hit your snacking peak with a Mount Fuji-shaped senbei. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. This crispy rice cracker is seasoned with a savory mix of black sesame seeds in umami. I always want to say umami, and I don't think that's right. U-M-A-M-I. Umami? Umami. I don't know. It does have a slightly tangy scent to it. Ooh, boy, salty. Salt is a strong flavor to it. Really. It's a little overpowering. Usually senbei aren't that strong. Oof. It's almost like drinking seawater. There's a tang of mayonnaise to it. Mayonnaise, rice, and salt. So they're not terrible. All right. Now, let's see. Next is, fine. I'm trying to keep them sort of in order here, so it's easier to go along with. I think. Where are you hiding? Oh, really? Ooh, we get a big bag. Nice. We have Kyoto matcha, the mochis. Flavored with high-quality matcha from the specialized store in Uji, Kyoto, this soft and chewy dango mochi has a sweet bean paste filling and is dusted with kanako soybean flour. It's the perfect bite for Kyoto's famous flavors. Cool. And made specifically for Bokksu. Yeah, they always use this plastic that's so quite thick, so I have to use my razor blade to get it open. All right. Yeah. Plastic unnecessary tray when you could have just put. See, inside we have multiple bags of these. They could have just saved the bag, shrink it down, and put them separately. But there they are. There's writing on it. I would pull up my phone and translate it, but I'll skip it. Now, I recently had some. I got some from Bokksu. I showed you that were peach, and before that, in normal boxes, I think we had strawberry, maybe. Smells like matcha. As you can see, the texture on it is pretty nice. Ooh, that's very good. It's a little granularly. The mochi itself has a wet sugar type taste to it, where you can taste the grains on your tongue. And there's definitely a red bean flavor to it, but still excellent. Those are great mochis, man. Excellent. Next we have, these, which are made for Bokksu. They have let's see if I can get there it is, Bokksu white strawberry. These white chocolate infused freeze-dried strawberries are the perfect balance of tart and sweet. Fun fact, because of our strong relationship with global customers in 2018, the white strawberry maker agreed to Bokksu branded packaging for this popular product. That's neat. Let's see, how do I get this? There's the flap. Look at that. It's an actual strawberry. Freeze-dried strawberry. Not much of a scent to it. There is a semi-sweet scent to it. That's an unusual. I was expecting a crunch. Look at that. You can actually see my teeth marks in it. It's dense. It's not actually freeze-dried. It's partially freeze-dried, but more like it's infused. Yeah, okay. Well, duh. I read it and I totally out one ear and the other. White chocolate infused. How the hell did they do that? How did they put chocolate into the strawberry itself? That's fascinating. It makes it more of an interesting candy. And a natural one. Beautiful flavor. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. It's got the semi-white chocolate flavoring to it, but it's in the background because you're eating an actual strawberry, so you're getting that sweet and tart slightly sweet and tart flavoring of the fruit itself. So, I'll mix that with chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum, if I can say it right. Now we go to this thing, matcha latte. Sakura matcha. Ooh, that might actually be better. Over the years, we've gained a good understanding of the flavor intensity of our customers' desire. So we developed a Sakura matcha latte from scratch that fully captures the Sakura flavor with each smooth sip. So you place the contents of one stick into a cup and pour over with 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces of 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius water. Stir well and serve. I'm not a coffee fan, but I'll wait just a little bit and I'll go make it and I'll try it. And it might be good. Yeah, who knows? Next we have these here. Get the light off them. Produced by Zeno. Benji Madonna Mikan Gummies. Oops, I got dark there. All right, come on, brighten up. Benji Madonna is a high-end variety of Mikan or tangerine, exclusively grown in Emi Prefecture. These gummies burst with a juicy Benny Madonna jelly full of elegant sweetness and refreshing aroma. All right. At least they have a Ziploc. There's nothing on the backside of the packaging. It's covered it. It's got a little bit of layering of sugar on the outside. It's got a jelly interior. Gummy exterior. Wow. Ooh. Once you get the flavor, it really does taste like a fresh tangerine. Ooh, that's nice. Excellent, excellent quality on that. Now we have, interesting, Petite Island. Little Ritz crackers, I guess. Petite Cafe au Lait, L-A-I-T, late crackers. The perfect pair for coffee. These bite-sized crunchy crackers sandwich a rich cafe au lait cream for a balanced taste of buttery, bitter, and sweet. All right. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but there we go. There's the back side. Oh, good. It opened right. Smells like coffee. Oh. I'm going to crack that open a little bit. It's got a tray inside, as you can see. And they're just little Ritz crackers. But it really does have a strong coffee scent to it. Tastes like a Ritz crackers mixed with very light flavoring of coffee. It's not overpowering as I would expect by the scent, so that's nice. Being that I do like the scent of coffee, I just don't like drinking it. So those are good. I think if you ate more than one, get out my clip here because I'm going to need it in a second. Probably if you ate more than one, the coffee flavor will get stronger and stronger. Now we have, what are you hiding? There it is. Something made for Bokksu. I guess. Is this the right one? Nope. Almost got the wrong thing here. We have this guy. brown. Rich baked chocolate cake. This decadent dark chocolate brownie cake opens with a creamy and intense chocolate flavor with a high quality. Who? What? Couverture? Couverture? Almost sounds like converture, but it's cake. C-O-U. Wait. Oh, yeah. V-E-R-T-U-R-E. With the font they use is a little odd. Couverture? Chocolate made with extra cocoa butter. And finishes with an aromatic splash of rum. Ooh, interesting. Also contains alcohol. All right. We actually have an alcoholic snack for a change. And of course, they use the plastic that's really hard to open. I can tell that these are from a big bag. Ooh, nice scent. There it is. Really nice, rich, brownie type scent to it. Wow. That. I haven't had a brownie in so long. That's the perfect consistency for one. Nice and cakey, airy. A little bit of nutty texture to it because you can taste the nuts inside. A little bit of a crunch to it. Not actual crunch, but when you're eating into a soft peanut particles, or pecan might be. I'm not sure what they put in it, but that's excellent. I don't taste the rum because I'm not a alcoholic drinker, so I wouldn't know. Oop, and just checking my time here. 28 minutes. Next we have, is it this one? Yep. It's interesting packaging, which belongs to the Oranda Senbei. Use a pepper. Oh, you use a pepper in this. These thin-baked senbei rice crackers are flavored with yuzu pepper, a popular Japanese seasoning made from chili peppers, yuzu peel, and salt. The yuzu peel. Oh, there's 2 of them. Nice. Look at that. Oop. Get the light off so you can see. There we go. Now you can see the texture. It's pretty cool. Has a peppery type of scent to it. It's not overly powerful. Normally if you smell pepper, it makes you sneeze. This one doesn't. Very nice. Well, right there. It's a little dry. It's your basic rice cracker. Not a lot of flavor to it. I mean, it's sort of dry. The pepper scent is not as prevalent in the taste itself, which is unusual. It's a little contradictory. You expect that would be in the flavoring of it, but I mean, there is a little bit of a very, very, very minor, like a breath of spicy burn on the tongue, but it's so minuscule you hardly notice it. I just now notice it like in the back of my tongue. Okay. Now we have the horseshoe, which is this thing. Bashamichi horseshoe pie maple. Considered to be the gateway for European culture in Japan, Bashamichi, Yokohama, was the birthplace of Japanese horse-drawn carriage use. Oh, this cute horseshoe-shaped pie boasts a charming flaky crust and sweet maple flavoring. Cool. This is clearly from a package of multiple. So, a big bag would have been nice instead of just one. Oop, oop. Good thing I had my towel down. This thing's a little granularly. There it is. There's the side profile. You can see it's very pastry-like. Nice flaky. Oops. Yeah, flaky. Nice maple scent to it here. Actually, I'll show you if I get this bits off my fingers. There's the interior of it. You can see the layering. Wow. It reminds me of the Christmas cookies that you can buy, and I've talked to you about before. Those sugar cookies that you buy in the blue tins. It's very much like those. There's a particular one in there that's like a pastry. Instead of a dense sugar cookie, it's more layered, and it reminds me of that, but in a very light, sugary maple flavoring to it, which is excellent. I like that. Unfortunately, the Asian food grocer, and I might have to take his link out of the description below the video. I used to buy stuff through eBay. I'm not sure if he's around anymore. I can't find anybody selling those great little maple snacks I used to buy all the time. The little round cakes. Those are excellent. And for some reason he's gone missing or something. I think he closed up shop. Maybe COVID made him do it. I'm not sure. Next we have the big bag, which is made for Bokksu, because they got their name all over it. Umi potato chips. We curate chips almost every month, but this was our first time creating an original flavor. After multiple rounds of research and feedback, we landed on Umi Plum. Packed in original Bokksu packaging, these chips, which were a true team effort, are the perfect balance of sour and sweet in each bite. Okay. There's a little bit of messaging on the back here that you can read. These delicious chips are lightly flavored with umeboshi, Japanese pickled plums that impart a tangy acidity, gentle sweetness, and there it is, umami savoriness to anything they touch. There is a plum scent to them. That's cool. Yeah, that's okay. They just look like your normal potato chip, although it's a little see-through. The scent is stronger than the flavoring, because, I mean, there's a minor flavor of umi. It happens after you eat the chip more than while you're having it. So, but mostly it's just potato and salt. So it's not, they're not amazing. You know, it's mainly just a normal potato chip with a very faint plum aftertaste. Let me close this up. There's a plum chip. I swear I thought I was in the, excuse me, in the last Tokyo Treat box. It might have been. That was plum. Different manufacturer, obviously. But it was way stronger in the flavoring itself than the chip. So you had, I think it was a little overbalanced in the plum flavoring on that. Now we have these, which are lemon by the looks of it. Okaki rice crackers, lemon and salt. Okaki are air-fried rice crackers made of mochigom, glutinous rice. Seasoned with the addicting combination of sharp lemon juice and salt, this crunchy snack is hard to put down. All right. I don't want to rip it like that. It's got a, see, it's got a little notch right there. I don't want to rip that notch because then you have to rip the corner. So I slice the back like that, and then I can close it. Doesn't really, I mean, it smells like bread, sort of. There is a very minor lemon scent to it. But as you can see, they just look like the rice croutons we get. Salt, rice. Not really getting lemon. I thought it would be more tangy. I mean, I don't even get an aftertaste of lemon. Not sure about that. I mean, it's mostly just rice and lemon. Rice and salt. That's the main hit. I guess there's a... Let me try one more. See if I can get it. I'm not tasting lemon at all on that. That's very unusual. It's... Maybe it just adds a little bit of sweetness to it, maybe, I guess. I don't know. I'm not getting any flavoring of lemon whatsoever in it. It's not my taste buds, I know that. And now we go to the Hojicha Financier, made for this box. Cake. Hand-packed in Japan, obviously. Made with leaves harvested from Takanashi Tea Garden in Kanagawa Prefecture. This Bokksu exclusive financier cake boasts the slightly smoky flavor of rich hojicha tea, roasted green tea mixed with sweet notes of almond, chocolate, and caramel. Sounds delectable. Excuse me. Little thing in there. Pull it out. And there it is. Definitely smells like hojicha. Got some in my eye there. That green, that tea type scent. Save that portion. Look at that. That's really nice. Actually, I got other things to try here, so I'll save that for later. It's got a interesting little quick tang when you eat into it. Swedish. It's Swedish. It is very Swedish. A little dry there too. Gets on the vocal cords. Excuse me. You can definitely taste the tea flavoring mixed into it, especially as I was saying, right when you eat it, there's that tea tang, I guess, that tannin type of taste that you get from tea right off the bat. It's not overpowering. It's just noticeable. So that's pretty cool. Very nice. That's a good box. So far, I haven't had a bad box of Bokksu, which is pretty good. And every one of their boxes always bring a nice surprise. So I highly recommend snagging if you want to get a subscription. I'm going to put these away, and then I'll show you other items right here. There. Oh, I gotta do the latte. Forgot about that. Now, I think I showed you this. The Okayama White Peach Castanella. This little cake. That was also from Bokksu. Now, there are many variations, I guess, or several variations. As I noticed these Choco Boy bread sticks in chocolate. Those from Men. When you buy them, you get 2 of them together. Those are excellent. And then, let me get another clip out here because I'm going to open this. We have Chicken Ring by Oriental. Snack Parisa Ayam. These are from Malaysia. Luckily, this is one of the few crackers, chips and things that from Men. Oh, Indonesia. That doesn't have a warning on the back. This contains cancerous material, cancerous stuff. It's like, why would you sell something in the store that has a cancerous chemical mixed into it? That should be an instant no-no. Not much of a scent. I mean, they look like onion rings. Wow, they are airy. I mean, there's not much there. They're okay. They're very much like the Funyuns that you can buy in the store. But light salt, very airy. They basically melt in your mouth after like 1 or 3 crunches. Let's see. Yeah, 3 crunches are gone. They don't taste like chicken rings though. I mean, I don't get a flavor of anything related to chicken. It's more of, it's slightly bland. Not a lot of flavoring to it. They're still good, but it's not something you would come back to on a regular basis if you were into that type of snack. So, I wouldn't recommend them. Now, if you're a fan of Nerds candy, which I am, I always like Nerds, and gummies, these are excellent. They have 2 varieties. They have this one, which is the very berry, and then they have a rainbow type one, which is, I forget, I think it's tropical. And both are excellent. I'll show you what they look like here. They don't have a rip tab on it? Oh, right there. At least this is one of the few American products that actually has a Ziploc bag on them. Which is nice to see, because normally you buy a candy at a store, you got to put a clip on them. But these are nice little nuggets. I mean, they're slightly squishy. I haven't tried this one yet, but I know it's going to be good. Yeah. Nice mixed berry flavor to them with the jelly, the sweet and gummy type of interior. So it's a great mix of the 2 different type of candies. So I recommend those if you like Nerds and gummies. Oh, let me go make this cafe latte, and we'll see if it's even worth it. So I'll be right back. I'm back. There it is. Has a kind of smells like Play-Doh. It really does. Has a very light Play-Doh-ish type of scent to it. It's very interesting. Sweet. It's Sakura type of scent. I did, after I heat it up, I did drop an ice cube into it just to balance it out so it's not as hot. Wow, that's really good. It reminds me of hot chocolate, but with a Sakura flavor to it. And so that is really well done. It's not like coffee at all. It's very much like hot chocolate. Wow. I like to get some more of these. That I highly recommend these. That's superb. Did I even read that one to you? I think I did. Make sure. Where are you at? Just in case. Yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah, developed Sakura matcha latte. We developed from scratch that fully captures the Sakura flavor with each sip, and I totally agree. So instead of a chocolate milk, hot chocolate, it's hot Sakura chocolate in a way. So definitely recommend getting some of those if you want to try them out. So, yeah. I'm going to go over. I'm going to get some more of those. And I like hot chocolate, so I keep saying that. Sorry. Repeating myself there. Oh, new t-shirt. Check out this baby. Very nice Army of Darkness design. Classic. This is from Cavity Colors. They make all type of movie-related t-shirts. This one just came out last month. So, and I'll put the link down in the description so you can go get one yourself if you're a fan like I am for Army of Darkness and Evil Dead 2, Dead by Dawn. Dead by Dawn! It's classic. Both good. Both those two films. If you're going to watch them, you got to see Ed 2 and then Army of Darkness because they go together as one. All right. I think that is all for now. Yep. All right. I'll see you when my Tokyo Treat box shows up. Thanks for watching. Have a great month.